तो आओ यार शुरू करते हैं।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog, and this time we are in Goa.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
So guys, right now we are in Sagreshwar, and we are going to head to South Goa, that is Palolem, Goa, and it's going to be fun. So yeah, stick till the end. Yeah, so we are back and I'm so excited for this vlog because
Once more!
yes, so we are back. The last vlog was deleted by our queen. Wow! Hey guys, so we are waiting here for some lunch and we are on the way to Goa. So we'll see you there. This is the place where we're gonna have our lunch now. So guys, on our way to Palolem beach, we came across this very cute and aesthetic restaurant called Maxis. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because the food is really tasty. Like you can see it in the vlog. It is tasty as well as it is pretty aesthetic. So where are my aesthetic people?
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है।
I'm putting this ring. Finger. Lemon ring. All your food sprinkle. So this is a resort called Gehraiyaan, which is located right in front of the Palolem beach. And it is a beautiful and exotic resort. Wait till we show you. So guys, this is the hotel resort, and there are dogs. And the thing is, I am scared of dogs. So we're gonna change our way. So let's change our way now because I am scared of dogs. We'll go from here. Yeah. So guys, this is our room. And we have this cute little library over here. And then this is the bathroom. Guys, at last we reached Goa. So guys, that's our room. And then these are places. This is the overall place. It's very beautiful. Looking cute. So now we are going into the sea for a swim. So guys, अभी यहाँ पे कपल शूट चल रहा था लोगों का. चलने दो.
वाह क्या सीन है, वाह क्या सीन है.
So guys, this place has this cute library area, and there are so many books over here, like so many of them. And this is a cute area. lounge to read and stuff, and that's the beach. It's a very beautiful place. This is the virgin colada mocktail. This is without the strawberry. This is the iced tea, supposedly.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
And this is the fruit punch. So yes.
Hey guys, this is the second day, and now we have come here for breakfast in some hotel, na mama? Yeah, no, restaurant, whatever. So, mama, how did you spend the morning? I sat and watched this, and she read books, and I and Papa went for a swim. Hana, Papa?
Yes.
Yes, we went on a swim, and Didi slept.
No, she lounged.
And
She basically was lounging
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
in the hammock.
yeah, but she slept. She did sleep, and she has retired from vlogging, so it is just me who's going to vlog now, and
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
then that's it. We started the day with a nice swim.
Guys, we are going for a swim. So yeah, let's go.
It's my second swim.
अबे साले.
In the process, firecrackers, and that's my Didi and that's my mama, and that's the lifeguard who supposedly didn't allow us to swim today because there are currents.
So guys,
Guys, we took these ready drinks. Yeah, and they're so cute. Didi, let's keep it there. Bye, Goa. We are going.
ये क्या है?
So I guess this is the end of the vlog, and yeah, we enjoyed ourselves. Hope you enjoy the vlog, and meet you next time. So until then, bye, take care, enjoy life because it is beautiful. Bye.
Never.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया